This video is going to show you how to allow your clients to use the online page to select the items that they want on a quote before digitally accepting it. I've set up a quote here with three sections, a call section here and these two at the bottom, which is option A and option B. So what I want to do is send this to the client. They're not allowed to remove this section, but they can change a couple of items on there, and they've got the choice of having option A or option B or neither of them. So to make that possible, we click on client customization link here and then select allow client customization. This one allows the client to select or deselect a section or more, and this allows them to change or delete lines on the quote. So let's select both of those and apply. Now we have a little bit more control over the quote. Here we've got these lock buttons. If I click on these to lock them, this means that the client cannot change those items. What I can also do is click here to make this a required section. That means it's got to be included in the quote. And then with option A and option B, I'm just going to leave them as they are. Okay, let's have a look and see what it looks like for the client. So firstly, let's preview. And then we have this link here, which click on review link will show us similar to what the client will see. Now the difference is, because I'm logged in, I'll see all these menu items here. So if I copy and paste this link and put it into a browser where I'm not logged in, we get a better idea of what they'll see. So they'll see your logo and your color here. If they want to make a change to the quote, they'll click on make changes. They can then add items to the quote. So they're going to select option A and they're going to edit this and make a change to the quantity. If they want to start again, they can click on reset, or they can just click on accept. Optionally, they can pay with a card if you've got Stripe set up. What's now happened to the quote is that the version that we created, which was version 1, has been changed to what I've called in my system old version. The system has made a copy of that and created version 2, and this is the one that the client has accepted, because of course the difference is the changes that the client made. So if we then look at that version there, we can see that it's what the client has asked for. And you can click on here, download the quotation that was approved and also a proof of signature. If you want to set the system up so that every quote has the option of client customization, go to the cog and quotation settings and scroll down here, and these are the fields.